Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change chat bubble color on Instagram. First of all, launch your Insta application and tap on this message icon at the top and open the specific conversation. As you can see, right now my chat bubble color is blue color, and to change the chat bubble, tap on the conversation name. Tap on theme, scroll down. Here you'll find this color and gradients section. Inside of this section, you can select any color to change your chat bubble color. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.